Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can install Amazon Workspace. Now, let's go and do that. So Amazon Workspace client must be installed on the computer. So here, type in into your Google Amazon Workspace and click on this Amazon Workspace client downloader. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here. Now to install this, choose here where you want to have this. So if you're using Linux, web access, Android, Chromebook, Mac OS, iPad, Windows. So mine is on Windows, so I will download that one. After the download is complete, double click the installation file to start the installation. Now, as you can see, the Amazon Workspace Setup Wizard is displayed. Next thing you need to press next. Here you can choose is just for you or for all the users on the machine. Click next and then install. Here you will need to wait that everything finish with installing. Um, After it's installed, just click finish. And now we have our workspace installed on our computer. Now you just need to enter your registration code, which your administrator provided. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can install Amazon Workspace on your computer. I hope this video was helpful. Consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.